Hi there. I guess this is my take on sending a probe or spacecraft into orbit or out of our solar system. After watching the video on Kepler's laws, I feel like I understand that our planets are in an elliptical orbit. Even if it's a small ellipse, it is some sort of an elliptical orbit, and that the planet that's orbiting is moving the same amount of space in the same time throughout the um, diameter of the elliptical orbit. And so, to me, when I think of sending a probe or spacecraft out, I automatically think of Voyager because that's the first. That's one of the. It's been out there the longest right now and traveled pretty far, and it seems like it has so much to do with velocity of getting out of Earth's gravity and into the different orbital spaces that are needed in order to move on to different planets outside of ours. Um, but I don't fully understand the math, I have to admit. I mean, I watched the video and saw the math that he did, and I don't understand that, but I do understand how the laws work. And I guess that's my take on it, that it would have to be also in an elliptical orbit, and it would have to be programmed in that way in order to stay in orbit, is how I understand. So that's my take on it, and that's all I have. Thank you.